Assalamu alaikum, hope everyone is doing well. Today we'll be going over the specialties of family number 7, 8, and 9. So let's begin. So first we have family number 7, known as infi'al, and one meaning it has is of passiveness. So the default meaning for this family is passive, right? So for example, we have kasara, which means he broke, and if we put this into family number 7, it becomes inkasara, which means it was broken, right? And since the default meaning of this family is passiveness, there is no passive version of this family. So that's pretty much it for family number 7. Now let's take a look at family number 8, which is known as ifti'al. So one meaning family number 8 has is of to strive. So for example, if we have jahada, which means to struggle, then if we put this into family number 8, it becomes ijtahada, which is to struggle with difficulty. Another example is kasaba, which is to earn, and if we put this into family number 8, it becomes iktasaba, which is to strive to earn. One meaning family 8 has is of to strive, and another meaning it has is of to take on. So for example, we have khodama, which is to serve, and if we put this into family number 8, it becomes ikhtadama, which is to take on a servant, right? So this has to do with taking on something or someone. And another meaning that family 8 has is of mutuality. So for example, we have khosama, which is to fight an opponent, right? And if we put this into family number 8, it becomes ikhtasama, which is to argue back and forth, right? And like you can see the mutuality there. And another meaning family 8 has is of expression. So this can either be negative or positive expression. So first we have adara, which is to reproach. And then in family number 8, it becomes, and then we have adama, which is to aggrandize. And then it becomes a'tadama, which is to announce grandeur, right? So you're expressing grandeur. And so that's one of the meanings of family number 8. So another meaning of family number 8 is of severity, right? So this is used to express a heightened magnitude. So for example, we have qadara, which is to have capability. And then if we put this into family number 8, it becomes iqtadara, which is to have immense power. So putting it into family number 8 is increasing that magnitude of that action. And then the same thing with radda, which is to reject. And then in family 8, it becomes irtadda, which is to reject severely, right? So again, you're increasing the severity or the magnitude of that action. And then another meaning family 8 has is a response to family number 1. So for example, jama'a is to gather. And then if we put this in family number 8, it's ijtama'a, to be gathered, right? So it's a response to family number 1 because now they are gathered. And that's pretty much it for family number 8. So now let's take a look at family number 9, which is if'ilal. So one meaning family number 9 has is of color. So for example, bayallah has to do with whiteness. And if we put this into family number 9, it becomes ibiyadlah, which is to become white. And another example is with savada, which has to do with blackness. It becomes iswadda, which is to become black, right? So this family mainly has to do with color. And another meaning this family has is of bodily defects. So for example, a'raja is the lame one, meaning the person has a limp, right? And if we put this into family number 9, it becomes a'raja, which is to become lame, right? So to become someone with a limp, right? And same thing with a'waru, which is to have one functional eye. And then if we put this into family number 9, it becomes a'wara, which has to do with to become one with the one functional eye. Now you became someone with only one functional eye. So again, family number 9 just has to do with colors and bodily defects. And just like family number 7, this family doesn't have a passive form either because in its meaning it's already passive. And that's pretty much it for today's lesson. So I'll see you guys next time.